Alrighty guys, it's the next day. We already had the heater running a little bit, so it's nice and warm in here. Don't have to bundle up like I had to yesterday. So I guess we'll get back. Let's see. Alright, so it looks like day 2. Oh, can't let you see anything else. Back, middle, front, made out of 1/2-inch ply, fits most phones. Speaker. All right, speaker. We're making an acoustic speaker. All right, so the new iPhone 16 Pro Maxes are a hair over 3 inches wide. So that means that I'm going to make mine, the slot for the phone, about 4 inches wide, so every phone could fit in it. So my phone with the case it's taller than this 1/2-inch stuff. So for the core of these, we're gonna use 3/4 inch, which good thing, I have plenty of it, so we should be cooking. All right, this is what I'm thinking. So you'll put your phone in here. So keep in mind, this is the inside piece. Put your phone in here. It'll sit on those two, just on the bottom, corners of your phone. That line isn't supposed to be there, I just couldn't erase it. This is gonna be the duct that the sound goes to, and it'll go up to this hole, which will be like an inch big or so, centered on that pinpoint right there. Then this is the outside. So this is going to be like this. The back is just going to be solid, and then the front is going to be just like the back, but with the one hole to let the sound out. All right, for ease of use, I'm just going to put a Forstner bit in here instead of using the drill press over there. Just make it quick and easy. Drill press would be easy too, but this is good enough setup. So I'll take one of these scrap cutoffs to put under it so I don't mar up the workbench and get to it. Alright guys, so came back out here, check on my speakers, later today. Decided to go and put my heated jacket on, I got for Christmas. Boy is it nice. Alright, not too shabby. So of course the sides are uneven. So we'll sand them down, get them all looking uniform, same here. And I think I'm going to do the same treatment to both of them. around all the corners and stuff. One of them I'm going to clear coat, put a clear finish on, and one I'm going to paint black. So when it's all said and done, leave a comment down below which one you like, the black one or the one I'm going to clear coat. Ooh, it's a little rainy out. Okay. I think we'll use this. It'll sit just like that. And then black and clear coat. So we're going to clear coat over the black just so it doesn't come off, and then we will clear coat the other one.
Hey!
Alright guys, these were a super fun project, simple for just about anyone to make. The only tools I used was this bandsaw right here. You could also use a scroll saw. Let me show you what a scroll saw looks like. One of these puppies right here, that's a scroll saw. So, bandsaw or a scroll saw will get the job done. A little sander and a table saw. So quick, how many? 3 tool project, 1, 2, 3. So yeah, fun project. I really enjoyed building it. So that's day 2 of 12 days of building. Stay tuned for tomorrow. See ya.